we can program 20 events. That is 20 on and off combinations. To view any existing programs on your device, press the plus button repeatedly and we just go through them. See how lower left it's flashing? That's program 1, the on instance. Now it's program 1, the off instance, and it just goes through. That's 2 on, 2 off, goes all the way to 20. To exit at any time, hit time. Now we're going to program our device to come on Monday, Wednesday, Friday from 8 to 9. Let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to press the plus sign, and since I don't have any existing programs, I'm going to program 1 and on. So I'm going to press set. Now, see how the days are flashing? You hit the minus or plus sign to go through the day's selection, and there is a slew of them. You can select each individual day, weekdays, Monday through Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday through Saturday. There's the one I want, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So I'm going to press set to move on to the hours, and I want it to come on at 8 o'clock. And see how it says PM? So I probably should go this way and do plus. There, 8 a.m. And now I'm done with that. So I'm going to press set, move to the minutes. I'm going to leave that at 0. So press set. And now you see how 1 on is flashing? This is real important. To go on to 1 off, we press the plus sign. And now again, we press set, and I'm going to again press the plus sign till I see Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Okay. And then the time I wanted to go off is 9 a.m. So I'm going to use the plus sign to go up to 9 a.m. Keep note of the a.m. or p.m. Very important. 9 a.m. Press set for the minutes. I'm done with that. And now I'm done. So I can X out. Now if I go in and look, program 1 on is at 8 a.m. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and it goes off. Program 1 turns off 9 a.m. Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And you can hit time to exit out. Now let's make a program that turns on Mondays at 1 p.m. and turns off Tuesday at 1 p.m. So we're going to have it just stay on 24 hours. Let's go back in with the plus. Now we don't want to override this, so we just keep pressing plus until we get to program 2 on. Press set. Now we only want Monday. Very good. Press set. And we want it to come on at 1 p.m. It's probably faster if I go backwards. 10. Make sure you note. Okay, 1 p.m. I'm done. Go to the minutes. I don't want to make any changes. And now, see when 2 on is flashing, you have to hit plus to go on to 2 off. Press set again. The days are flashing. I'm going to select Tuesday. Press set again to go to the hours, and I want it to turn off again at 1 p.m. So I'll just go around with the plus button. There, 1 p.m. I'm done. Now, I can go on to the minutes, or any time when I'm done, I can press the time button. Okay, now let's go review. We should have 2 programs of on and off configured. Press the plus. Monday, Wednesday, Friday, come on at 8. Go off at 9. See, it says off. Now, the second program for on is Monday at 1 p.m. Press the plus sign. We see it goes off Tuesday at 1 p.m. And to exit, to delete an existing program, you just press the plus to go into your programs. Keep pressing plus till you get to the one you want. You see these are empty, so let's go back to the first one using the minus. Okay, I want to delete program 1, the on and the off. So while 1 on is flashing, press manual to wipe it out. Press the plus to move to 1 off, press manual to wipe it out, and we're done. So if I go back in, you see nothing's programmed for the program setting of 1. And 2 is still there. Hit time to exit so I can go back in later and reuse that time slot for program 1. One last but very important item is the manual override button. Look on the window, the little tiny off. That means your programs aren't going to run and the outlets, if you plug something in, aren't going to work. Auto off means your programs are going to run, but if you plug something in, when it's not during a program cycle, it's not going to work. On means I've overrode the programming, and you see my little lights lit up there. But my programs aren't going to run. Now auto on means the programs are going to run, and I've overrode the programs at this moment to allow the outlet to work. So basically what it comes down to, if you don't see the word auto in the window, your programs will not run. So I'm going to switch it back to auto off, which means my outlet will not work until my programs run. So usually you probably want to leave it on auto off. I hope this is helpful. Thank you.